Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Shazam. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about Shazam and click here. In this page, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Sorry. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.